All right, guys, we are doing another box of Super Break Baseball. This is 2018 Super Pack. So every box has got 1 to 3 cards in it, autographed cards in it. So it could be graded cards, rookie cards, memorabilia, relics, could be anything. So every spot gives you 3 random teams. So I've got Roy with 1 spot in this, Barry with 1, Keith H with 1, Rick has got 1, Brian B with 1, Mike D with 1, Brian G has got 2, Robert H with 1, and then Paul M picking up the last spot. All right, so let's go ahead and randomize the teams first. So we'll randomize this 5 times. All right, so every spot gives you 3 random teams. So let's randomize this. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. All right, here we go. So Barry, you've got the Angels, the Marlins, and the Indians. Brian B with the Blue Jays, Royals, and Yankees. Brian G with the Mariners, Rangers, Twins, Cardinals, Mets, and Nationals. Keith, you've got the Braves, Cubs, and Rays. Mike D's got the White Sox, the Astros, and the Orioles. Paul M with the Tigers, the Padres, and the Pirates. Rick with the Giants, Diamondbacks, and Phillies. Robert H has got the Rockies, Brewers, and Reds. And then Roy's got the Dodgers, the A's, and the Red Sox. All right, so here we go. Let's see what we can get out of this one. So last weekend, there was only 1 card in this one, and it was a David Price graded rookie. So that was a Rays hit. This one feels like it's got a few more cards in it. All right, here we go. Card number 1. We've got a Jake Proctor going to Minnesota. Bowman first card, blue refractor to 250. No clue who that guy is. So definitely not the main card in this one. Next up. Oh, here we go. Got a National Treasure League leaders. Al Simmons for Philadelphia. We got Goose Goslin for Washington. Bob Musil for New York, and Harry Heilman for Detroit. That's going to be a fun one to figure out. 25 out of 25. Good Lord, I'm going to have to figure out in the 20. Gosh, because Philadelphia was at the Philadelphia A's. So we know Detroit is in this. We know the Yankees are in this. So what was the Washington Senators back in the 20s? And then I think it was the Philadelphia A's, which would be Oakland now. All right, so give me a minute. I'm going to have to figure that one out. All right. And then the hit is going to be a Tim Beckham, which if he panned out, this would have been a nice one. 2010 Bowman Sterling. It is another Rays hit. So last weekend was a David Price. This time a prospect auto of Tim Beckham, who was like the number 1 or number 2 overall pick. and then I think moved to like pitcher or something. So the Rays for that one is going to be Keith. So you've got that. The Minnesota Twins card is going to be Brian G. So now we're going to have to figure this other one out. All right, so hang tight just 1 minute. Let me look this up. All right, so Philadelphia is, in fact, the Oakland A's. So that's going to be Oakland on that one. So then Washington. Senators changed teams about 6 different times. All right, so it's not the Washington Nationals. Let's see if it's Minnesota. It is going to be Minnesota. All right. So you got the Oakland A's. You got the Yankees, Detroit Tigers, and the Minnesota Twins. So let's see who had those. So Minnesota's Brian G. The Yankees is Brian B. Detroit and Oakland. Detroit is Paul M. And then Oakland was Roy. All right, so it is going to be a 4-person random. All right, so hang tight just 1 second here. All right, so listed it as it is listed on the card. So you got Oakland, Yankees, Twins, and Tigers. So we'll go ahead and randomize this 5 times. Team at the top after 5 is going to get it. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. It's going to be the Twins. So the Twins scooping up 2 hits in, quite honestly, what was a crappy break. So I'm not sure we'll do any more of the super break stuff, at least for a while, especially when we're pulling stuff like that out of here. So we'll get those cards mailed out to you guys tomorrow, and I appreciate you joining us for this break.